Hey, what's up, my folks? We back out here. Y'all already know. Headed out here to the boat ramp. Got the boys out there waiting. Got the shit with me, but hey, hit y'all up when we get over here where everybody at. You heard? Let's go.
One day.
Come on, man. Don't start that, man.
You got my big cousin and let you start.
Shit, we got my boy, Fresh Boy out here, man. First time on the boat, my boy?
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Yes, sir. You gonna teach me the rope?
Yeah, I mean, come on, man. Y'all know I'm gonna take care of my boy.
Okay.
Y'all know I'm gonna take care of, bro. You feel me? Oh, dang, look, bro. It jumped straight out the water. Look. Dolphin, I got it on camera.
Got it.
Completely. Hey, man. I'm hit y'all up in a second, my people. Let's go. Yeah, man. Trying to think about what we're gonna do. Think about doing some dock hopping. We got some live shrimp, man. Or some docks over there, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. What? You left the shrimp on the truck? Nah, don't listen to him. He crazy, man. But listen though. Yeah. We gonna figure it out, man. I'm take y'all on a little boat ride and yeah, you know, y'all up in the second. Really, put the tip back down. Put the tip back down. Let me see your reel. Reel it in, son. You tangled up. Oh yeah. Dang, boy, I seen that bite now. You seen it? You felt that? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Put the tip down. Put that tip down, Fresh. Bye. There you go, cuz. Yeah, you want to keep that tip down. Like the tip of your pole, put it down some more. Like put it on. You almost want it all the way down to the water so you can put that good snatch up where you need to.
You want that bit down? You want that?
Yeah. Let some more line out. Okay. Yeah, let some more line out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go.
You figured it out? A little bit. Figured it out, bro.
Yeah, put that tip down a little bit more. Now reel it in just a little bit, but keep that tip down. All right, yeah, you good about right there. Yeah, so, and then just pull up every now and then, just a little bit. Every now and then, yeah, it pull up.
I kept it a little shit over here last time I came to Trout and shit.
Then look, this bug trued up into a hole.
Yeah, you can throw that back. We don't need that. But yeah, man, we out here, man. You see, we just had bro hooked up with this first one on the boat, nah.
I got a bite. I got a bite, B.
You got a bite, B.
I got a bite.
Yeah, man, listen. I'm hit y'all up in a second. I'm about to get me and my jit pole hooked up and yeah. See y'all in a second, my people. Let's go.
Keep that tension on that thing first. You gotta fight it.
Boy, that was that man. Let me see y'all. Go ahead, throw him back. What kind of fish is that? A trout.
A trout.
Hey, man. Hey, get him one of those.
Good job, son. Man, he had something big hook. Man, let's go, man. Y'all know how I feel about this, man. I got my boy pole right here, so.
Hey, give him one of your hooks.
All right, I got you, cuz. Here you go, Alex. Gotta drop. It's all right. Dip your hand in the water and wash your hands off. Pay attention to your hook. Get y'all up in a second, my people. Let's go.
Stingray? Look at that. Yeah.
Stingray, cuz. Look at y'all, look at y'all. Hey, man, they funny, man. Let me go ahead and get this Stingray up off here, man. These boys is funny, man. Let's go, y'all. Yeah, watch the tip. Yeah, watch him. Watch where your pole go at. Just watch it. Yes, sir. Good job, cuz. You got a cat or a stingray?
You got a catfish?
Another stingray?
That's how to move, cuz.
It is? Oh, man, listen. Is that a sign for me to go grouper fishing, y'all?
Dang, another stingray? Is there just
got one right here, got one right there.
Only
Yeah, man. We about to move to another spot, man. Get the stingray off here, but let's go, y'all.
Right there's sting.
Yeah, that part right there.
Half in, right?
Yeah, that little part right there. You see where that weight at? My weight on my line. That right there.
He might try to flip his tail and yank my ass in.
You might, but I got his tail pinned with my line.
So right there where the weight at?
Yep, that little thing right there, that's what stabbed me. But yeah, man. I hit y'all up in a second, my people. Yeah, boy.
Let's go.
What you say, son?
Let's go.
Hey.
Get mine off.
Some more trout.
Still right there. What the net at? Get that bit, bro. Get that bit.
What we got? Oh, Lord.
A cat?
Yeah, big old blowfish.
That's what it is.
Big old blow. What happened to the hooker? There you go. You want this? Get that down.
What these crabs over here?
Yep. I'm
Going
going
straight to you?
Yeah.
How you hook these?
Right through the side. I can use the shrimp too if you want. It don't matter. Whatever you want.
Right to the side?
Yeah.
These bitches don't bite, though.
Nah. You gonna hit them right through the side right here.
Right. Punch to them bitches like.
Yeah, right through the lid. Come on, cuz. I got you, cuz. Oh, that's what that was? Nah, that's off.
Here's the bestest alligator. Oh, look, can you see this?
Hey, get this to him.
Dad, can you see this?
Alex.
Oh, he's gonna get bait.
Yeah, what you think? Give it to him.
I'm gonna get
All right, whatever, bro.
bait for him.
Thank you so much, sir.
Let me take one.
Hey,
I'll take one too. Man, I'm telling you, bro, they small. That's crazy, ain't it?
You probably did more than 2
oh my God, I got a
You
lot.
got a dozen on the dance up.
Put them back in there, man. The world's smallest shrimp.
The small shrimp.
Hey, they shrimp.
If somebody needs bait, let me know. Cause I'll get it right
Listen,
for
man,
you.
I'll hit y'all up when we get another fish on, man. We just out here vibing and chilling. Y'all already know how we do, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. And be nice to people. Hit y'all up in a second. Yeah, boy.
Go. Yeah, it's a little faster.
Oh, dang.
But
You like that? I'm gonna put you some shrimp on there and get you throw that boy out there, all right?
this one's pretty new, right?
Yeah, you want to use it?
Yeah.
All
I
right,
guess
guys.
I'll give it a little try.
All right, my boy, let it go.
Got one?
I don't know. You gotta check it. You gotta check it.
Got one. Got one.
Be careful. Oh, a big trout. Oh, not turn her this way. Turn this way.
Is he a keeper?
Stop reeling and turn to me. Back up. You see how you reeled it all the way in like that? Ouch. You can break the tip like that.
What the heck just happened? It's a big one.
You know what this is? Oh, that's a sand trout. You see how it's silver with no spots on it?
Uh-huh.
You see how the one you was catching could have spots? And these don't got spots. It's a sand trout. Hold it under the bottom. Hold it with this hand. Now hold it under the bottom with the other hand. And look at me. Let me see. Yeah, boy. Stop smiling like that, crazy kid. But nah, I see you, my boy. What you gonna do with it? You gonna let it go? You gonna eat it? You want it?
I guess this one's a keeper. If it is, that's fine.
I don't want to keep it.
I want to keep it.
We got fish at home. Let him live and go see his mom, bro.
No, I think like we can use a fish tank for it to put in the fish tank.
So let's get a fish tank first. How about that?
We already got one.
It's small.
Oh, okay, never mind. Let's just go.
All right. Release.
I'm doing it soft with you. I'm doing the soft for you.
Good job, son.
I can still see it.
Let's go. Boy, that boy flew out like a superhero. It's a whiting though.
But it's sand whiting.
No, it's just a whiting. Oh, you got it. You gonna let it go? You gotta hold up under the bottom with this hand. Hold up at the. He gonna try to slip out. Hold his head tight. Good job. Good job. Good job. Whee! Fresh boy, what you got there, my boy? What that's called?
It's a
Sand trout. Sand trout, right?
Speckled trout.
Speck?
Yeah.
Okay.
A spotted speckled trout.
Can I Dad throw that one out too? Whatever fish that you caught, I'm gonna throw.
Sand turning
There you go, Alex. Alex, go hurry up. Throw him back before he die. Throw him back now.
Both of us gotta hit at the same time, man.
Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm just out here chilling with my family, man. Got my boy out here for the first time. Everybody, you know, we all grew up together, just so y'all know. But got him out here on the boat for the first time. You know, he's nice and comfortable. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up in a second, man. I'm about to try to get me a fish now. I've been sitting around for too long. Let's go.
Got another one?
Yeah, man, y'all see it. I told y'all I had to go out there and get one. Can't keep letting cuz them thinking they doing something, you know what I'm saying?
Give it to me.
What, the fish?
Yeah.
You got it. You gotta grab the head, remember?
But just gotta be careful
Got
with
it.
the hook.
Yep.
Got it.
Good job. Oh, thought you had it, my boy.
I did. Can you just hold it so at the freaking hook?
Yeah, no, y'all see it. By the way, people, these are keepable fish now. We can hold on real quick. I don't like what I see. Hold on, up. Now y'all can see me. But listen though, the fish that we catching, we can keep now. Especially them whiting, them can get kept. I might do a catch, clean, cook with them. Fry them things up how we do it old school with some mustard and hot sauce. You heard? Let's go.
I got waters to share.
Oh, they real now. I got some. Here we go. I don't know what I got.
Try.
But I got something.
If it's catfish,
I think it's a stingray, dog. Look at those circles. Nope, another cat. Watch out! Ah! Yeah, man. I'll hit y'all up in a second, dog. Hey, fish. Cuz just missed one. He had a nice bite. He just had a nice bite.
I seen him at the water too. He went too big though.
Hey, but they made that pole bounce down. Look, that boy look good. It felt good though, ain't it? Uh-huh.
this one was shaking.
Yeah, we just out here chilling. See him?
I must have.
Right there when I seen him.
I must have.
Messing with them with the stuff. What you doing with the shrimp, bro?
Just discovering it.
Discovering it.
Yeah, like see how it works.
He's doing some discovering, y'all. So yeah, I'll hit y'all up when we get a fish on, man. We just out here vibing like I'm telling y'all, man. Let's go.
Yeah, you know, I missed one.
What the heck is that?
Boy, just missed one. Well, he got a plug out of a blow up now.
What the heck is that? What's even
He got a
that?
blowfish.
What?
He got a blowfish. You want me to grab it, Carl?
Okay.
The hell won't come off of him.
I know. He got them teeth, that hard mouth. That ain't gonna work. Okay.
I can do it. I can do it, I promise.
Oh, man, you can't do it, bro.
Here's how you
He's so crazy over here.
Here's your masters.
Let me see it, Alex.
That's how master do it, man. Show how master do it.
Let me see it.
This is daddy.
Here's how masters do it. Right there? Where? Bruh. It looks gaudy.
It look what?
It ain't even
That fish looks gaudy.
Gaudy.
That means fat and cubey.
Man.
Nice one. Nice one, we don't puke.
Another one, bro. That's crazy.
Kill it, kill it.
Oh, man. It ain't hey, for Steve. But we ain't gonna mess with it, man. Hit y'all up in a second. Let go. Okay, hold on. Be careful. Uh-oh.
Cat.
Oh, good job. I'm glad that came off, cuz we done got double up. What you got over there, cuz? Ooh, what cuz that?
Okay.
Another cat.
Another cat.
Meow.
And that's some shit. My lady wants catfish sounds too.
Hey man, cuz funny man. Let's go, y'all.
Another one, bro.
That boy done hit another trout.
Every time I drop, boy. I'm talking about.
Oh, no.
We got you.
Yeah. Get him some food on the way home. Don't let him forget, okay?
Okay.
Clean me out for
Get
that.
that on there.
Yeah, everybody hungry.
Yeah, man. There you go. Y'all see it, man. You see my boy Fresh? I see you, boy. Hey, I'm saying, bro, you had a good time though, bro?
Definitely.
Okay, that's real. I told y'all, man. Y'all come get hooked up with AD, man. Let's go.
Off into the upper
You're right, son. Come on now, reel it in. You got it real. You got it real, remember? There you go. Good job.
I can't hear you breaking up.
Now lift up. Now reel in, reel.
I'm out here fishing right now, but
Lift
truck
up.
right there for 520.
Let me see. Lift up. Oh, slow down. Oh, that's a big catfish. Slow down.
You got the biggest one.
Dang,
You got
bro.
the biggest one. Okay.
Dang, boy. You don't be playing around.
Yeah.
Because I'm not.
Okay, man. Yes, sir. Oh, hold on.
You didn't want to go.
Hey, that boy had the lady fish on my jig head.
Right on my head.
You got the big right
Yeah, same way, right by the head. Yes, sir.
It's moving.
There you go. Look at it.
That bit, my first.
There
you go.
I see you, Fresh.
That's keepable.
Nah, he ain't gonna eat
Oh,
him.
okay.
Yeah, he gonna throw
Oh,
it
he back?
Yeah, he gonna go back.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, that's another.
No.
That's another good fish for bait though.
Bait.
Yeah, bait fish. Yeah, y'all already know. You chop that lady fish up, they put off that good oil, like they real oily fish, and they stink real bad. But yeah.
Got him a decent one.
Y'all see, bro, man. Y'all see him. Hey, listen, that's what it's all about, man. Making memories and being positive, man. But listen, I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, show love, be nice to people, and you already know. Start calling my phone on fishing. Let's go.